Monica Gator, this is a Monica Gator, retired auto mall.
whole thing right here. Don't do that. I got the whole thing right here.
Okay, I'm using retired auto mall to repossess this Cadillac. They just gave me the paperwork today, and I'm not sure repossess it and take it to the dealership.
Okay, let me get my stuff out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, David. Go get my stuff out there. Damn, I should have your cake today. But they said they give me to the first. What happened?
I don't know, ma'am. I'm the retail agent.
Today is the 1st.
I know that she told me when I get my check on the first to come. I got my paper right here. That's all I understand.
I don't know, ma'am. I know that they gave me the repossession.
Wait a minute, let me see the key, Jake. I ain't about to do that. I want to show y'all this paper that says the first. And then after the first, I still got 10 days after that.
I don't know, ma'am. I just have to do my job.
Okay, well, I'll text her right quick because the day is the first.
Yeah,
my check don't come until tomorrow.
She's the one who's memorized it and everything. She said that she was going to messages and emails to everybody telling them that we were coming.
No, she didn't.
Because I spoke to Amy just an hour ago.
Can you call her now?
I think she might be asleep, but you can try to call her.
Okay, well, let me try to call her because, yeah, I got... Is that going to bring me the damn cake? My bad, baby. You can hold it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I ain't doing that stupid, y'all.
Oh, you're all good.
Okay, let me show y'all my paper though, because can one of y'all get Amy on the phone, because I don't have a phone. Please get her on the phone. Because my daughter just went in labor and I just took her to the hospital.
I saw that.
You seen that, right?
Yes,
I just
ma'am.
took to the hospital.
Yes, ma'am. I did see that.
Amy got to get me till tomorrow. Look here. Look. I called her though. I know you don't want to look at it. You want to
Yeah, I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
it's not between me and the dealership. I have nothing to do with it.
Okay, that's fine. You getting on the phone for me, baby?
I'm trying.
Thank you.
Hey, Amy, this is Kim. We are at Monica Gator in 2008 SRX.
Tell Amy to please give me to tomorrow. Bring her whole $900 in it. My daughter just went in labor.
Say again, Miss Amy.
So you can't wait till tomorrow? I'm just not getting my check today on the 1st. And my payment say on the 1st. Don't think I'm behind on this. The $312, the $500 referred payment.
So 500 and a payment.
Yes, that's what I'm coming with tomorrow.
No, you gotta let them pick it up and you don't have to pay to get it out.
Okay, so how much that's gonna be?
I won't know. I mean, we're close.
Oh Lord.
All right, thank you, Amy.
Thank you, Amy. I
Yeah,
appreciate
that's
it.
it. Go ahead. Just let me get my stuff out. She's not at work. So it ain't gonna be no more than $500 more, right?
No.
It's gonna be more than that.
No, I don't know, but
Oh,
I don't
okay.
think so.
Come
No.
on, get your stuff out here.
Wait.
Oh, man.
We'll just find it in my pocket. I'll call you.
All my other stuff is staying in there.
I'm gonna call it at night, and I guess we can go to school. And get the food.
Do y'all know where it's gonna be at?
Yeah, it's going to try it, Otto.
Oh,
It's
thank
going
you.
to back to the
Okay,
dealership.
yeah. So I go up there and talk to them.
Yeah.
It ain't no big deal. I ain't mad at y'all. I keep this one though, right?
No, we need that key so we
Okay.
don't have to tow it.
Okay. But make sure my ball's down there, okay?
Yeah, we're going to
And I like your pink color.
Thank you. You have a great night. Thank you.
You too.
Good luck to your daughter in her labor.
Thank you, guys, because I was coming out there on me too late. I was just
saw you were just at the site. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. You have a good one. You too.
Need help?